Estimating. What is estimating? Estimating is using rounding to get close. Okay. For example, if I asked you to estimate 38 times 21. Now let me tell you what it's not. And I've seen people do this, so I want to make your life easier. When it says estimate, you should really change these numbers so that it's something you can either do in your head or do very quickly on paper. What I've seen some people do is they actually multiply this out, and they get this, and then they take their answer and they round that to 800. Okay, that's not estimating because you had to do a whole lot of work and then in the end you just kind of moved it to something else. When it says estimating, you want to take a look at these numbers and say, it's like you can wish. I wish that number was this and I wish that number was that so I could do this really quickly. Well, 38 you'd probably round to 40, and 21 you would probably round to 20, and then you can do that problem in your head probably or whatever and get 800. This is estimating. This is rounding your answer. Okay? So don't do all the work and then round it. You want to round first so that makes the work easier to do. Let's see if I can find a better example. Estimate the sum of 467 and 312. 467 plus 312. And again, there, you should be able to kind of do this in your head. What do you suppose you would change those numbers to? And I suppose you could make a case for just about anything, but I say it's common sense sometimes has to rule. Keith, I'm probably going to make 467.
470.
See, and there's where it gets a little, yeah, sure, why not? We'll go 470. And 312 probably. 310. I would still say if the book tells me to estimate, I might even go, well, let's make this 500 plus 300 and get 800. If you came and told me you did that, I would probably say, okay, I'll give that to you. But if you're given that choice to estimate, you know, make it pretty easy. This still might be something. How many of you can? I mean, I guess you can probably do that in your head, but you know, I would probably end up with this as my answer, as opposed to this, which would be 780. You're still going to get kind of close, or whatever. I would say the book is going more for use a little bit easier numbers even than that. Okay. Or another example might be, take a look in your book at page 84. Page 84.